Hi children, so in the previous video we discussed the problems from cumulative assignment 1. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the problems from cumulative assignment 2. I hope your examination completed on this one. So check your answers with this video. If anybody did that wrong in anywhere, just verify your mistake where it is there. Okay, so just see here what they given in their first question, that is 4 power 2x into 64 into 256 is equals to 4 power 11. Okay, that is the first condition. And here second equation they given as 27 into 3 power 3y into 81 into 243 is equals to 3 power 15. Now we need to find the value of x plus 1 whole power x into x power y plus 1 value we need to find out. So before going to find these two values, what we have to find? Yes, first we need to find the values of x and y. So from this one, what is the value of x? So children, when you observe that it's a RHS, that is in the powers of 4. Okay, 4 power something is there. Okay, so in that base value, what is there here? At the place of base, we can observe here 4. So convert the total LHS also as the powers of 4. As the powers of 4. Now here this one we can write it as 4 power 2x into 64, we can write it as 4 4 16, 16 4 64. So that one 4 cube. 4 4 16, 16 4 64. And here 64 into 4 is equals to 256. So this is a 4 power 4. Okay, why? Because 4 4 16, 16 16 is 256. So 4 square into 4 square is equals to 4 power 4. Okay, already we discussed that. If you don't know that how to write this one, then you have to go for that prime factorization. Okay, so which is equals to 4 power 11. Now this is in the form of a power m into a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, so by applying that formula here, 4 power 2x plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 4 power 11. So which is equals to 4 power 2x plus 3 plus 4, which means 2x plus 7, which is equals to 4 power 11. So from this one we can write it as 2x plus 7 is equals to 11. So 2x is equals to 11 plus 7 becomes as minus 7. So 2x is equals to 11 minus 7 is 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. So what is the value of x here? X is equals to 2. Now from this one find the value of y. Okay. So the same process again. 27, and here when you are observing that RHS, here RHS has the powers of 3. So convert this one also as the powers of 3. So 27 is that 3 cube value is equals to 27. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So into 3 power 3y into 81, 27 3s are 81, so that is 3 power 4, or else 9 9s 81, 9 is 3 square, so 3 square into 3 square is equals to 3 power 4, so that is the value of 81 into 81 3 is 243, so that's why here that is 3 power 5. Okay, 81 means 3 power 4. So one more 3, if you multiply that one with one more 3, then you will get that 243. Okay, so that's why here that is equals to 3 power 5, which is equals to 3 power 15. Again same process here, same formula we have to apply. So that is 3 power 3 plus 3y plus 4 plus 5, which is equals to 3 power 15. So which is equals to 3 power 3y plus 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. So which is equals to 3 power 15. So here 3y plus 12 is equals to 15. So from this one 3y is equals to 15 minus 12. So which is equals to 3. So here 3y is equals to 3. So from this one y is equals to 3 by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So y is equals to 1. What is the value of y here? Y is equals to 1. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 here we got, no? So substitute that values here. Which one we need to find out? Yes. Here we got that x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. Y is equals to 1. So those values we need to substitute here. So that is x plus 1 whole power x into x power y plus 1, which is equals to, here x is equals to 2 plus 1 whole square into x is equals to, here 2 power y is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 square into 2 power 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 3 is 9 into 2 2 is 4. 9 4 is 36. Okay, so what is that value here? That is 36. Okay, is it clear to you? Yes. Next question. So next second one is, if a p is equals to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square into, here this one 2 by 3 whole cube, we can write it as a 2 cube by 3 cube divided by 1 by 4 whole square, which means 1 by 4 square. From this one we need to find the value of a p only, no? So see this one, here p is equals to 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9, okay, into 2 cube is equals to 8, or else better to write this one as it is. So here 2 cube by 3 cube, and here 1 by 4 square become as into 4 square. Okay, so why? Because in the denominator we will get that you will get that fraction, no? So that's why here we have to take that it's reciprocal. So p is equals to 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 is equals to 14 into 2 cube by 3 cube into 4 square. Now simplify it, or else directly anything they are given. So we can write this one as 14, we can express it as 7 into 2. Yes or no? 14 we can write it as 7 into 2. So 7 into 2 into 2 cube into 4 square, we can write it as 2 square whole square. Okay, whole by 3 cube. So which is equals to 7 into 2 power, here 1 is there, here 3 is there, and here 2 2 is 4. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 is 8 whole by 3 cube. Okay, no need to simplify that, directly exponential form we can write this one. So which option is correct here? 2 power 8 into 7 by 3 cube. Okay, so here option A is correct one, 2 power 8 into 7 by 3 cube. Okay, so that is the correct option. So let us see that next question. So let us see that question number 3 here. What they given? 81 is equals to 3 power x is equals to 9 power y is equals to 81 power z. Okay, so first we need to find the values of x, y and z. Later we have to discuss about that, what we have to find out. Okay, so this one here 3 powers there, no? So better to write all the numbers as the powers of 3. So 81 we can write it as 3 power 4. 3 power 4, which is equals to 3 power x is equals to 9, we can write it as 3 square. 3 is 9, 2 into y is equals to 2y is equals to 3 power 4z. Okay, why? Because 3 power 4 is equals to 81, no? So that's why here 3 power 4z. Now you can equate that any two, then you will get that x, y, z values. So I am going to equate that first two values. So 3 power 4 is equals to 3 power x. Then here x is equals to 4. Okay, why? Because here y and z values also there, so we don't know those two values. That's why here we know only the value of the first one, 3 power 4. That's why I equated that 3 power x and 3 power 4. Now here we got that x value, no? Then we can compare these two, or else we can compare these two also. Okay, that is your wish. So now I am going to compare that. Your wish, these two values I am going to compare. So 3 power x is equals to 3 power 2y. So x is equals to here 4, no? So 3 power 4 is equals to 3 power 2y. So here 3 and 3 as the bases are equal, no? So that's why here its exponents must be equal. So 2y is equals to 4. So from this one y is equals to 2 ones 2 twos. So what is the value of y here? Y is equals to 2. So we got that y value also. Now z value we need to find out. So here if you want to equate that these two, or here 3 power 4z is equals to 3 power x, or 3 power 4z is equals to 3 power 4. If you equate any two values, then you will get the same value. Okay, then you will get the same values for that x, y and z, which means here when you equate these two values, here you are getting 4. When you are equating these two values, here you are getting y is equals to 2. Or if you want to equate these two values, then also you will get that y is equals to 2 only. Okay, that's what I am saying here. There is no change in its values. Okay, so this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Now, what is the value of z? So here you want to equate these two means, and then go for that 3 power 4 is equals to 3 power 4z. Now again we can say that as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. So 4z is equals to 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So z is equals to 1 time. So z is equals to 1. Is it clear to you? Now which value we need to find out? X power y into y power z into z power x. Its value we need to find out. So here x is equals to 4. Okay, next y is equals to 2, so 4 square into y is equals to 2, no, so 2 power z is equals to 1 into again z is equals to 1, x is equals to 4. Now simplify this value here. 4 4s is 16 into 2 power 1 is 2 into 1 power 4 is 1, so 16 to 32. Okay, so what is that option here? That is answer is equals to 32. So which option is correct? Yes, option C is correct. That is option C, 32 is correct one. Okay, so let us see that the next question. Here it is. Yes, by seeing it may be equals to difficult, but that is very easy. If the sum of first 10 natural numbers they given, the sum of first 10 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3 plus and so on, plus up to 10 value, its value is equals to 55. Sum of first 10 natural numbers is equals to 55. Then 199 power 1 plus 2 plus and so on up to 10 into 199 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 10. So here directly they given the value of its power value. Directly they only given sum of 1 to 10 numbers. The first 10 numbers is equals to 55. Okay, in that question only they given. So just we need to substitute that value here. So 199 power its value is equals to 55. Okay, into again 199 whole power 1 to 10 means its value is equals to 55. Okay, now this is in the form of a power m into a power n only, no. So a power m into a power n is equals to here a power m plus n, a power m plus n. So here a power m plus n means here a is equals to 199 whole power m is equals to 55 plus n is equals to 55. So which is equals to 199 whole power 55 plus 55 is equals to 110. So this is the result, but here they didn't give like that. Okay, so this is 199 power 100, but here we got that 110. So this is wrong option. Next here, this is 55 square they given, 55 whole square they didn't give, 199 power 55 power 2. Okay, there is a lot of difference between those two. So this is also wrong one. So next here, see that this is answering here 199 power 55, but here the given whole square means this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. Okay, that is to differ than a power m whole power n. These two are not equal. Okay, those two are not equal. There is a lot of difference here. This is m power n is there, m power n. Okay, a power m, m power n. This is a power m whole power n. Okay, so if that form in this form is there, then only we can multiple that its powers. Here we can't multiple that its powers. Okay, so that's why here 55 into 2 is equals to 110. So 199 power 110. So our answer is also same only, no. So that's why here option C is correct one. Option D is 199 power 552. So that's why that is wrong only, no. So that's why here 199 power 55 whole square. So that is the correct answer. Okay, let us see that next question. Here 3 power p is equals to 81, 2 power q is equals to 8. Next 5 power r is equals to 25. Then we need to find that 3 into 2 into 5 power pqr into p plus q whole power r, that value we need to find out. So first see here, we need to find the values of pqr. So 3 power p is equals to 81, we can write it as 3 power 4. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. Okay, so from this one p is equals to 4. Okay, as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Next here 2 power q is equals to 2 cube. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, that's why. So from this one q is equals to 3. Okay, next here this one we can write it as 5 power r is equals to 25, we can write it as 5 square. 5 5 is 25. So r is equals to here 2. Okay, so r is equals to 2. So what are the values here? P is equals to 4, q is equals to 3, r is equals to 2. So we got the 3 values also, no? Now we need to find that 3 into 2 into 5 whole power pqr. So p is equals to 4, q is equals to 3 and r is equals to 2. Okay, so into here p is equals to 4 plus q is equals to 3, r is equals to 2. Okay, after substitution of that values, just we need to take that its product. So 5 2 is 10, 10 3 is 30. 30 power 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Into 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 square. So this option where it is 30 power 24 into 7 square. So option A is correct one here. So children, in this video we discussed the problems from 1 to 5. Okay, so once again if anybody did that mistake in your examination, so better to check your result with this one. Okay, where you did that mistake. Okay, so if you have any doubts from this one, then you can ask your doubts in that comment section. I will respond to that one. Okay, so next in that next video we will discuss the problems from 6 to next remaining 10. Okay.